Shut up, Narco.
Ah!
That's the worst intro I ever heard.
I wasn't doing anything. My voice cracked.
Whatever.
I fell like quickly through the leaves, filled with determination. HP fully restored.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh, I already read this.
Give it to me. Okay, before that, I'm apologize for this for the first part of it. We were trying to stage that this is gonna be the first part.
We were dying of laughter.
Because Lorca made me. Oh, Winsome! I'll let you.
Oh, we didn't get any gold.
Quiet, Lorca. It's not
Yes. God.
Shut up! You're the one who said it, not me.
What are you talking about? You're the one who said that.
You're the one who.
Was it me or was it you?
It was you.
Let's just take one. Take a piece of candy. Take a piece of candy. Press C to open the menu. Can we take another candy? Take a candy. You took more candy. How disgusting. Okay, we're done.
Wait, you took candy?
I took candy.
How many?
1, 2.
You lied to me then.
2.
You took 2?
Yeah.
You dingus! You were gonna ruin the story.
We didn't even know.
Shut up.
Okay, let's take some candy.
Yes. What? You took a piece of candy.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I only took about.
Let's save the game before that, because we don't want to do it again, do we?
Yeah, I only took him about many times to kill myself.
It's not my fault. You're the one who get the candy.
Suicide yourself fills you with depression.
Hey, Froggy, come closer.
Hey!
Hey, I don't kiss the first date, buddy.
What? I can't see! Flush deeply, ribbit. Aww.
He's giving you flies.
They're flies.
Love flies.
I got 2 gold. Gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
Quickly to my yard.
No. Never to your yard.
Yard.
Ah!
Okay,
One more time.
No, you,
Ah!
you think I?
One more time. One more time. Ah! Okay, let's go.
This is my life right here. No! I take it back. Okay, sorry.
Too late.
Just stop it.
I'm trying to see if anything happens. Ah!
I can't tell until you scream for reals or not.
I'm not. My voice is cracking. I'm trying to make my voice sound stronger, but it just cracks.
I know.
Especially repeat it. Do not come at me, please.
Give
I've been
you
playing. I've been playing Cuphead.
Hey, you got 2 gold at least.
And I'm almost at the end. I'm at the Phantom Express, which sucks.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
I don't know what to do.
It's so funny.
Ring.
Ring, ring.
Sorry. I'm not laughing. I'm coughing. Hello, this is Torio. For no reason in particular. Which do you prefer? Cinnamon or butterscotch? Cinnamon.
Actually, I prefer
Oh,
both of them
I
in
see,
real life.
Thank you. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Click.
Ding.
Hello, this is Torio. You do not dislike butterscotch, do you? I know what your preference is, but will you turn off the journals if you found it on your plane? Yeah. Right. I understand. Thank you for being patient. By the way. Oh, thank you for being patient, by the way. Damn it! Messed up. Let me read the goddamn sign!
Winston approached meekly.
Say yes to yes! Don't laugh.
I am dead now. Number 1 death for recording.
There are 4 trays for rocks. Recommend you push them. Okay, thanks.
I gotta say, actually, I like oh, in the memory game, huh?
I'm a little flower.
You actually made it. That was good.
Down. What side? Kill me.
I was gonna say you actually made it. Oh wait, what?
I tried to. I didn't try to.
Meow?
Meow. You're a cat?
Okay.
Compliment.
Actually, to be quite fair, this is the first time I heard he does that. For me.
No, this is not my first time.
I said for me, not for you. You know, that's like that in Cuphead, actually. You got corner, and then a little fish just jump at you, and then she threw the fish, and you die.
But Margaret, we don't talk about that. Hey, but I'm the one who killed her too. So.
Taylor, you did. You trip into the life of most moths. Wait, you trip, is this?
Oh, we can spare them.
Oh, you trip, is this? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I did something. There.
You just did. You spare him.
No, I did something.
Okay, you got. Whoa there, partner! Who says you can push me around? Hmm? Shit, don't look at me like that! Oh, damn it! You got me out of character. So you're asking me to move over? Okay, just for you, pumpkin. I was.
No, more.
Hmm? You want me to move some more? Alrighty then. How's this? That's the wrong way. Damn it! I can try to get character. Hmm? You said that was the wrong way? Okay, now I think I got it.
You did it!
Yay! You deserve metal.
Ah, my arm! No!
Stop it!
And that's what you stuck. Don't think I was joking.
And then I took it.
Wait, doo-doo butt.
You want me to show you over there? You don't deserve no medals.
He pushed me! He pushed me!
Stop it! You're killing me! I'm never gonna be second death right here in front of the YouTubers. At least I'm doing this. There!
Wait, what happened?
I took control!
No!
Yeah. Oh, yeah!
Not like the mouse fight one day you told jeez. Save with determination.
The mouse hole.
Wait, guys, listen to me. Listen to me. Let's make cry for help.
No joke, I heard her try call for her, and that's real. Ow! Okay, stop it. Just stop it.
I need help.
What is it that cheese again? It's just like this cheese has been quiet for a long time. It's stuck to the table. LOL.
Ah.
Wait,
No.
what? Oh.
Bookie. 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 Z.
The ghost
keep
is.
saying Z out loud repeatedly. Pretending to sleep. Of course? Yes? I know.
In real life. Let's try yes. I mean, we already did it before, so there's no way that we don't do it. Here comes Nasta Blue.
Should we end it from here?
Yes.
Goodbye, everyone.
Crap, 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 crap.
Remember me, guys, when I died because of a ghost. Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Oh, he's smiling.
And he's crying.
I forgot about this one. No! I just battled!
You nearly threw almost like freaking. I forgot. You need to put.
Oh, really? I'm sorry, not.
I'm sorry. You're me right now.
I'm sorry.
That's the blue. I forgot actually how the characters in the act. Oh God, no!
You better not throw your acid tears at me.
Oh yeah, neck. I have no idea. Like, what's the point of the what's it called again?
Do it.
What's it called? Ectoplasm. Ectoplasm. Yeah, that's the one. I call it Dapper Blue. Do you like it?
Yes.
Why would you say no, Jen? That one's good.
Yeah.
Oh gee. Wait, what? I usually come to the rooms because there's nobody around. But today I met someone nice. Oh, I'm raveling again. I'll get out of your way. Bye.
Bye.
I don't all characters. I like Nasta Blue. Actually, like.
Down there.
Oh yeah, the spider shop.
Spider makes sense. I'll probably
Makes
go to
damn it.
Sarah.
Okay, I got it wrong. Don't judge me. With 7, geez, we don't have enough.
Oh.
What about the big one?
That one's my thing after that.
Alright.
Sorry. My friends never listen to me. Whenever I talk to them, they skip to my words by pressing X. That's right. Pressing X. Well, at least you listen to me. Ribbit, ribbit. I hear using F4 can make you have a full screen. But what does F4 stand for? 4 frogs? I've only seen a maximum of 3 frogs in this room. This is troubling, to say at least.
Okay.
I'm totally not weirded out.
I may have heard that you make quite a merciful for a human. Surely you know that now a monster wears a yellow name when you can spare it. What do you think that's...
Very helpful. It's bad. Very helpful.
It's helpful.
It's rather helpful.
Really helpful though. Remember, sparing is just saying you won't fight. Maybe one day you'll have to do it, even if their name isn't yellow.
Enemies! Enemies!
Those... Oh, Vegetoid! I forgot about him. What was this? Did we supposed to devour him? I think you're supposed to devour. You pat your stomach. Vegetoid offer healing. Eat your greens!
I want my grapes!
You get the tomato!
I want my Mountain Dew! Oh, man.
You missed the tomato!
I'll devour you.
You tried to eat Vegetoid, but Vegetoid wasn't weak enough. Contains vitamin C!
Really? I really fought a boss and used this kind of weapon.
Oh yeah! I forgot!
Sally?
What was the carrot? Eat your greens!
Where's the... corn!
Oh yeah, you can spare him.
I want to devour him, but okay.
I want to devour you. I want to eat you. Wow.
Blah, blah, blah.
Date. I said bait.
So Spidey crawls down and give you a donut. Cool.
Yay. Actually, I want to see that in an animation, real life. Actually. Not real life. My bad. Damn it, I'm feeling weird. I'm tripping.
An animation.
Yes. Ring, ring.
I
Don't.
that it has been a while since I had cleaned up. It was unexpected to have company to experience.
Stop it. Look at me.
There are probably a lot of things lying around here and there. You can pick them up, but do not carry more than you need.
Stop.
Someday you might see something you really like. You'll want to leave room in your pockets for that.
Too bad we don't have a backpack. Actually, that would be cool actually if they added that.
Look at me.
No! Click. I do not disappoint you in many levels. Oh, and by the way, actually,
Choose lucky one.
At least you
Got a
remember
ribbon.
what the ribbon and the shaded one.
God damn it!
Okay, we're gonna end it right here, actually, guys. So, actually, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. Anyways, this is Slash, and right here is Larka. And she's waving. Nobody can hear you, Larka, if you don't say something.
Wave.
You're disappointed in so many levels. Ow! Okay, see you guys.
Click.
Bye.